Hi guys, welcome to the class style from my house to yours. Hope you are doing well. I'm always happy to have you on board guys with me, and today I'm sharing with you a couple parts using cardboard and cardboard like materials, boxes and different elements, but it is in the cardboard context. So I hope you would stick around for the couple parts that is coming up. Every time I upload, you would see a bell icon there. Just click it so that you will be notified every time I put up a video. Do like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in a bit guys. Well, guys, today we are working with some cardboard. Happy to have you on board, guys. This is the class style from my house to yours. So, what we are doing today is working with this cardboard piece, and the measurements I'm using is 12 1/4 by 7 1/4, and the depth of the piece is 4.5 inches. This is a box that our crackers normally come in. This is a month's supply. It lasts longer also. And I'm leaving the lids on the sides because I want to adhere it. I'm leaving the back lid up. I want to adhere it to the sides to just add more stability to it. I'm using that cement glue and it really adheres it nicely. So I'm just going to be sticking it on the sides. Now these pieces are to go on my sides. I am thinking of doing a curved section. I've already drawn it in, but I was watching the height that I was going with. And you can do whatever heights you wish to. And you're going to understand when you see it. Now, guys, I had an extra pamper box from my grandbaby and I adhered it to the back. What I should have done was carried it right down to the bottom, but next time I know better. And I'm going to form a semicircle, and this piece here is going to be attached to the top of that back piece. You're going to see better when I reach to that point. Guys, I'm so happy to have you on board today. Hope you're going to sit back, relax, and enjoy my presentations. And my grandbaby is keeping me company. She has a younger sister. That's who the Pampers box is from. Now, this is the template that's going to be attached to the top section. And I'm going to adhere it with my glue. Now, this glue, it dries pretty quickly and it really adheres nicely. And I'm just going to rest it down on the sides, and I'm going to bring that lid around the top and I'm going to press it until it adheres. Once that is adhered nicely, I am going to do the other side just like it. So this is how it's looking, and I'm just going to repeat that on this side. Once that is in place, don't think that I'm going to leave that little lid you see there. I'm going to be cutting it off. I'm just using it until it adheres, just as a piece to raise the actual lid. And I'm going to use masking tape and still put it around the curve area just to secure it. Now this is another way I'm going to show you how to do this. This is a long box that my friend brought, and she wanted to do a mini version of what I'm doing. So I'm just rolling my paint can on it just to curve the top, and all I did was cut the sides, and the top part was still attached to it, and that would have been the lid. And to create the side templates, all I did is put it down onto it and use my pencil and draw around the piece, and that would have given me my template. Once that was done, I will go ahead and cut that off. I did include a 1/2 inch seam allowance on the piece, just like if you're sewing, and I'm going to cut the bottom because I don't need any extra on the bottom. I'm cutting on my second line, and this version is a lot easier, guys, because you would have something that the box is going to hold on to on the inside, and it looks much neater. This is some slits I'm putting on it, and I'm just doing a semicircle on the front here because she wanted a little lid to raise, and I'm just going to adhere the piece. Now you would notice how nicely it really sticks or adheres to it, and I'm using my glue gun in this case, and I'm just going to adhere the other piece just like it. So the two pieces are adhered nicely, and you have the little lid, and all you need to do is secure it with some tape if you wish to, and then you can cover it however you wish to. So this is dried. I did add my masking tape. I'm going to take it outside and give it a spray with black. I'm also going to do the inside of the box. Now when I'm spraying it with the black, I'm just going to let some of the lovely brown show through. So I ensure that it was dried properly, and I'm going to continue on it. It looks really lovely. It looks so much like an actual case. Now this is my cardboard strip that I've been using on all my wooden or cardboard crafts, and I have already cut out some pieces, and I'm going to be adhering it on the front, on top of it, around the top side. I'm going to put two on either sides. I'm going to put in the bottom and also around the back. Now my thought is to leave it natural, but then I have my American accent, and this is always give a nice kick to the cardboard strips. I would be doing the staining at the end of the when I have finished adhering all the cardboard strips to the pieces. So I've placed one on the end and one on the center, and I'm going to mimic that on the other side, and then I would do all my bottom pieces and finish off with all this sticking, and then get to the good part of it. So this is how it's looking so far. I think it is looking so cute. And to end off the top section of it, I'm just going to put a strip across the front of it. So I run my bead of glue, and I'm just carrying it right around the front to the side, and then I'm going to carry it around to the back of the piece. So I was looking at my home to see if I found a latch, but I did not get any, so I had to go and purchase one. Guys, this was $12. It hurt my heart, and things are so expensive. But I'm just going to be placing it to the front of the piece, and it has a little bottom part to it. I'm just going to be using my glue gun to adhere it on the piece. And once that was done, it looked so finished, guys. I also glued that little piece at the bottom with my glue gun. So I found some scraps, this lovely pink suede in my stash. And what I'm doing, I'm just adhering it to the front on the inside of the box, just to add a little glamour to the piece. And it looks so luxurious, guys. It's really going to be a lovely treasure chest. So I'm just adhering it to the bottom, and I'm running some glue at intervals, and I'm going to carry it around that semicircle straight to the top, and just adhere everything nicely together. So I'm just finishing off with the last piece, which is the front. I'm just putting some glue. I'm going to cut the excess fabric off, and then I'm just going to be folding it down and adhering it onto the box, and that is it. I think it really looks gorgeous inside here. So I'm just putting some of my jewelry, and I'm leaving it in the boxes that it's already in, because I think I'm going to add some compartments to the piece later on. So I'm just leaving everything in the little boxes so that I can pull it out of my treasure chest and find my jewelry when I need to. So I already have some cute little boxes. That little one is like a treasure chest in itself. And guys, oh my gosh, I am in love with this piece. Everybody who passes by love it. So guys, do like, subscribe, and share. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation of doing a DIY treasure chest. And of course, I have my little lock for it, and it looks so cute hanging there. And guys, I Hope you have enjoyed my presentation. This is so gorgeous. Everybody who passes loves it. And this little one I am going to share with you in another DIY segment. So stick around for that one. I have my little trinkets in there. And this I enjoyed quite a bit. So my friend shared the picture with me of her own and it looks so cute, guys. So once again, thanks for stopping by and letting me share with you. I hope to see you quite soon and stick around for the rest of my cardboard creations. Catch you later. Bye, guys.